Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty to give you the best insights before you make your next purchase. Today, I've got something exciting on the table, the Clinique Moisture Surge Daily CC Cream. It promises a lot with its medium coverage and hydrating formula, so I'll be giving you the full rundown of what it really offers. Let's break it down. The Clinique Moisture Surge Daily CC Cream is designed for all skin types, making it a versatile option for anyone. It's a color-correcting cream that also provides hydration, and it's infused with broad-spectrum SPF 30 to help protect your skin from UV damage. What's unique about this CC cream is its lightweight, oil-free formula, which promises to provide a natural finish while tackling uneven skin tone and redness. And of course, it's fragrance-free, paraben-free, and phthalate-free, ideal for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking for cleaner beauty options. In terms of real-world testing, I use this product daily for about a week as part of my morning skincare routine. Right off the bat, I loved how easily it applied to my skin. The texture is smooth and lightweight, so it blends seamlessly without feeling heavy. What impressed me the most was how well it evened out my skin tone. I have a bit of redness around my cheeks and nose, and this cream did a fantastic job of toning that down without looking cakey. It doesn't completely mask imperfections like a full coverage foundation would, but it offers a beautiful natural finish that feels very much like my skin, only better. When it comes to staying power, this CC cream holds up quite well throughout the day, especially for those with normal to dry skin. I didn't experience any dryness or patchiness, and it maintained its moisture without making my face look oily. For those with oilier skin, you might want to pair it with a mattifying primer or setting powder to control shine throughout the day. The SPF 30 protection is a bonus, but keep in mind, if you're planning on being in direct sunlight for an extended period, you may still need to reapply sunscreen. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the moisturizing properties of this CC cream are spot on. My skin felt hydrated all day, and the natural finish was perfect for an everyday look. It also offers a good amount of coverage without feeling heavy, which is a win in my book. On the downside, while it does a great job of evening out skin tone, it might not cover blemishes or dark spots fully. So if you're looking for something to conceal those areas, you might need to layer it with a bit of concealer. Also, the medium coverage might not be ideal for those looking for a more full coverage finish. As for value, at its price point, I'd say it's definitely worth it, especially considering the quality of ingredients and the fact that it doubles as both skincare and makeup. Clinique is a brand known for its effective, dermatologist-tested formulations, so you're getting a reliable product here. However, if you're on a budget, there are alternatives that offer similar benefits for a lower price, like the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream or the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. Both have SPF and provide decent coverage, though they might not have quite the same hydrating formula. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and practical. It's a squeeze tube, which makes it easy to control the amount of product, and I appreciate that it's travel-friendly and sturdy. Clinique has always been a brand that focuses on clean, efficient packaging, and this is no exception. So to sum it all up, the Clinique Moisture Surge Daily CC Cream is a solid choice for anyone looking for a daily product that provides hydration, light coverage, and SPF protection. It's ideal for those with dry to normal skin types who want a natural, radiant finish. If you're someone who loves that my skin but better look, this could be your new go-to. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.